I want you to dream. And I want you to know these dreams can come true. There isn't anybody or anything that can stop you. So to that one kid, I need you to listen. Start today and be different. Wherever you are right now, let it teach you something. Be kind to yourself on the journey of who you are becoming. Because how brave you are to dream what seems an impossible dream, to believe in your dream, to listen to your heart, to listen to your soul, to walk your journey towards the unknown. Your dream wants you. Your dream wants change. The only distance between your dream and reality is action. Your dream needs your love, and it needs your patience. It needs faith. Faith in yourselves, faith in the universe, faith in your vision, faith in your heart, faith in your soul, and faith in your dreams. Rest if you must, but you must never stop. Never stop believing, never stop dreaming. Be brave and be you. 'Cause one day, in a single heartbeat, your dreams will come true.